Ever wondered why your cakes don't rise properly at high altitudes? Well, the science of baking gets a little more complex up there. The lower air pressure at high elevations causes cakes to rise and fall quickly. This is because the water in the batter evaporates faster and the gases expand more rapidly. That's why baking at high altitudes can be a tricky affair. But don't worry, we have the solution for you. Making a few simple adjustments can help you bake perfectly at high altitudes. Now, let's dive into those adjustments. Step 1. Crank up that oven temperature just a smidgen. This helps to set the structure of your baked goods before they get too ambitious and overexpand. Think of it as keeping your muffins in check. Step 2. Cut back on your leavening agents. Yes, that means your baking powder or soda. By reducing these, you'll slow down the rate of rise, keeping those lofty peaks of your cakes from becoming mountains. Moving on to step 3. Increase your liquid ingredients. This compensates for the speedier evaporation that happens at high altitudes. You don't want your dough going thirsty, do you? Finally, step 4. Add a little more flour. This strengthens the structure of your baked goods, giving them the backbone they need to rise without collapsing. With these adjustments, you can conquer high-altitude baking and enjoy your favorite cakes and pastries. Let's quickly recap the high-altitude baking adjustments. When you're baking up high, remember these key changes. Boost your oven's temperature, scale back on leavening agents like baking soda or powder, add a touch more liquid to your mix, and throw in an extra scoop of flour. These tweaks will help ensure your baked goods rise beautifully, even miles above sea level. Remember these tips the next time you bake at high altitudes. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks.